Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best glasses defogger is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for anyone who wears eyeglasses, especially in our current climate where mask wearing can cause constant fogging, or when transitioning between different temperatures, like stepping inside from the cold or out of a steamy shower. Imagine a world where your vision is always crystal clear, no matter the circumstances. No more wiping your lenses every few minutes, no more missed moments because you couldn't see clearly. This simple solution promises to revolutionize your daily life, ensuring uninterrupted clarity and comfort for your eyes. Number 5. Fog-Free Plus Anti-Fog Spray for Glasses. Tired of your glasses fogging up? Introducing Fog-Free Plus, the ultimate solution for clear vision. Our advanced formula effectively prevents fog on all types of lenses, including those with anti-reflective coatings. Whether it's your eyeglasses or sunglasses, this spray ensures a fog-free experience every time. Simply spray and wipe for long-lasting defogging power. It's that easy to maintain clear sight. This 1-ounce bottle is perfect for carrying in your pocket or bag, ensuring you're always prepared. It's safe for all lenses and anti-reflective coatings, so you don't have to worry about damage. What we like? This spray offers a dual-action solution for your lenses. It effectively cleans away smudges while simultaneously preventing fog buildup. If you're looking for a versatile product that works on all types of lenses, including those with anti-reflective coatings, this is a great choice. What people say. When I use this product, fogging doesn't happen. The effect lasts all day long. I love being able to apply it to my glasses and go walk in the cold. Not have to worry about my glasses fogging up. Easy to spray on and wipe off. Cleans glasses well. Seems to help a bit with fog. Number 4. Anti-Fog Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Tired of your glasses fogging up? Introducing our Anti-Fog Lens Cleaner Spray Kit, designed to keep your vision clear. This powerful spray works on eyeglasses, goggles, sunglasses, and mirrors. Enjoy a fog-free experience in any situation. Simply spray and wipe for instant results. The anti-fog formula provides long-lasting clarity, so you can focus on what matters. Our kit includes 2 1-ounce bottles of anti-fog cleaner and 2 microfiber cloths. Everything you need for spotless, clear lenses. Keep a bottle handy at home, in your car, or at work. It's the perfect solution for maintaining clear eyewear throughout your day. Don't let fog obstruct your view any longer. This eyeglass defogger spray is your go-to for consistently clear vision. What we like? This kit provides a comprehensive solution for clear vision. You get 2 bottles of defogger and 2 microfiber cloths, ensuring you always have what you need. If you want a convenient and cost-effective way to keep multiple pairs of glasses or other eyewear fog-free, this value pack is ideal. What people say. No more foggy glasses while wearing my mask. No streaks. No glares. It works wonders. Now I do not have to worry when I wear my mask about my glasses fogging up. This one completely prevents my glasses from fogging up with a COVID mask. I clean my glasses in the morning before leaving for work, and they stay fog-free all day. Number 3. Boat Juice 2-in-1 Boat Glass Cleaner and Anti-Fog Spray. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution for your boat's glass surfaces. It easily removes dirt, grime, and water spots while providing long-lasting anti-fog control for a streak-free shine. Tired of harsh chemical smells and juggling multiple products? Our cleaner offers a pleasant experience with a refreshing lemon drop scent, getting the job done with just one product. Simply spray on and wipe off for effortless cleaning. It's safe for all glass finishes, including acrylic, polycarbonate, electronic screens, and even gel coat. Crafted with the highest quality ingredients, our products are proudly manufactured in the USA. Give it a try, and your boat will thank you. We are dedicated to creating marine cleaning products that outperform and smell better than anything else on the market. Experience exceptional results that leave your boat clean, shiny, and protected. What we like? This product offers a refreshing scent while tackling dirt and fog. It's designed to provide long-lasting anti-fog control and a streak-free shine. If you appreciate a pleasant user experience and need a cleaner that's safe for various glass surfaces, including electronic screens, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Phenomenal product for what I needed. I live in Wisconsin, so I have to deal with ice all of the time. For years I've been dealing with fog ice on the inside of my windshield until the car warms up enough to defrost it. I've tried other products and they didn't work. This one is a bit pricier than the others I've tried, but it worked. I left my car outside all night to test it. The outside was covered with frost, but the inside was perfectly clear. Easy to use, did not leave streaks. Use when glass is cool. Worked as advertised. I used it on an enclosed exterior wall sconce that kept fogging over whenever it rained. The condensation would stay inside the sealed glass fixture. Once I applied the spray on the inside and outside of the fixture, the issue resolved immediately. Number 2. Anti-fog gel for glasses. Tired of foggy glasses, especially when wearing a mask? Our anti-fog gel provides a clear solution for your lenses and face shields. This defogger gel is conveniently sized to fit in your purse or pocket. Keep your eyeglasses clear, no matter where you go. Our formula is safe for all types of lenses, including those with anti-reflection coatings. It's perfect for eyeglasses, sunglasses, goggles, and face shields. Unlike sprays, our gel stays put and uses only a small amount to prevent fog. Enjoy a thin, effective coating that keeps your vision clear. Developed with a professional formula, this gel effectively stops fogging on your lenses. Experience consistently clear vision with every use. We are confident you'll love this defogger. It's perfect for glasses, goggles, and masks, ensuring a fog-free experience. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like? This gel offers a concentrated defogging solution. A little goes a long way, and its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go use. If you frequently wear masks and struggle with foggy glasses, this gel is specifically designed to keep your lenses clear in those situations. What people say. With a mask or breathing directly on the lenses, no fog. It keeps my glasses clean from fog when wearing mask. This does what it says, I can leave my glasses on all day and see clearly. Number 1. 2-pack anti-fog gel for glasses. Tired of your glasses fogging up, especially when wearing a mask? Our anti-fog gel is the solution you've been looking for. Keep your vision clear, no matter the situation. This convenient 2-pack is perfectly sized to fit into your purse or pocket. Easily take it with you wherever you go to ensure a fog-free experience. Our formula is safe and effective for all types of lenses, including those with anti-reflection coatings. Use it on eyeglasses, sunglasses, goggles, and face shields with confidence. Unlike sprays, our gel stays put on your lenses, ensuring you use just the right amount. This means a thin, effective coat that prevents fogging without waste. Developed with a reliable, professional formula, it's designed to prevent and stop fogging. Enjoy crystal clear vision with every use. We're confident you'll love the results. This is the perfect defogger for all your eyewear needs, and it's packaged with care. What we like? This gel provides a powerful anti-fogging effect with a convenient 2-pack option. Its concentrated formula ensures efficient application, and it's designed to combat fogging, especially when wearing masks. If you need a reliable and portable solution for persistent fogging issues, particularly due to mask wearing, this 2-pack gel is a great choice. What people say. I purchased this after researching the best anti-fog gel for my glasses since I wear a mask at work all day. It didn't work, much like most of the others, fell short. I bought this to help prevent my glasses from fogging up while wearing masks. This made a big difference. It really helps glasses from fogging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.